good afternoon everyone. For this preparation, yung discipline ko and consistency will lead to my success in the future. And ito kasi medyo mahirap sa akin kasi kakamatay lang ng team ko during this preparation. And hindi lang para sa akin itong pangarap ko, para rin sa pamilya ko. And then, ito pa rin ko para sa mga tao na iniwan sa akin.
Good afternoon everyone. Ang naging preparation ko naman din po sa competition na to is yung pag-prepare ko mentally because stepping out of my comfort zone is not very easy for me. And I did this to show myself and to show the people what I can do. And I mentally prepared myself for that.
Thank you so much. Best of luck.
Hi, this is Tenten again, province of Pampanga and Paranaque, please. Kasi po samot-sari po ang mga male pageants ngayon. How do you feel right now that the male pageants are dominating over the female pageants right now?
I believe po na in male pageants nowadays, we have a lot to offer. Just like me po, I have a lot to offer. I am here to lead with purpose, kindness, compassion, and integrity. And by that, I am willing also to extend my hand to help other people, to uplift other people. I will use also my compassionate heart to touch lives, and also I will use my mind to think what I can give, what I can provide, and what can I offer to our country, especially to our community and to our people. So, kaya siguro mas dominant na mga lalaki ngayon kaysa sa mga female pageant. Kasi we have our own story to tell, we have our own purposes. Maraming salamat.
Well, to be completely honest, it really makes my heart happy to see that the men of the day are given now the chance for this stage to showcase what we've got, the talents, the perseverance, the hard work that we've been hiding for quite some time now. I believe it's a high time for us that as men can showcase what we are capable of. And it is very important that we give acknowledge to every man right here that's standing. It's not really easy to stand in front of you. So let's give everyone a round of applause because right now, there are a lot of media, there are a lot of cameras. We're not very certain what's going to happen, but hopefully everything goes good. Thank you.